So, you're here. So I assume you did this to your drone. Congratulations. You had your first crash. Thumbs up. It was eventually gonna happen. You need to crash your drone to kind of get over that anxiety. But it depends what kind of crash, which is that one that you saw just a few minutes ago or the one you can't recover your drone. So hopefully if you have your insurance from DJI, because this video is not gonna help it. Check out another video. But if you don't have insurance, then why didn't you buy the insurance? You knew this is gonna happen eventually. You're gonna crash. So to all the noobs, buy your insurance. Don't be dumb. But for this video and purposes, you kind of broke your propellers or kind of scratched them and you wanna know how to change, which DJI really recommends you to change that. Don't be cheap, just change them. You can buy them on Amazon for like 20, 30 bucks. It's cheaper than actually buying a whole drone. But anyway, so this video, we're gonna change our propeller. So you got DJI Mini Pro 3 came with 4 propellers, which basically you wanna try to figure out which propeller is which. Well, you can see the signs where A goes, they go one side and B goes to the other side, which basically shows you in the diagram of the plastic. Doesn't really take rocket science to kind of figure that out. But then you're asking, you took them out and they look identical and you can't really tell them apart. Kind of did skip the part where you didn't see them and then you thought they're all the same propellers. No, they're not. They're not the same propeller. So here I am to save you to kind of figure this out. So basically you're wondering where is A and where is B? Well, DJI came up with a very neat, clever way, which you can see that on the propellers, on the A side, there is a small groove right there in both of them. And that basically tells you where it's A, where B does not have any grooves. But then you're asking, I already did unscrew them and kind of lost track where should be A and where should be B. Well, you're in luck. DJI came up with a nifty, really nice way to kind of get our backs about that. There's a small groove right there that is similar to the grooves right here. And that basically tells you where A should be going. So yeah, you kind of cannot F up this process. It's super easy. Once you're gonna start, you grab your screwdriver that came with the DJI Mini Pro. And basically this thing can do the same process. Some YouTubers I've noticed and some people out there, they like the one that has that twist where you can put pressure. I've done this pretty easily with this one. But yes, when you start, you just need to grab your drone from the wheel. I think I call it a wheel. From the wheel that rotates the propellers so you can have a good grip. Once you grab that, you start unscrewing. You push out, you need a little bit of force, not much. And then you take out the screws and after that, you pull the propeller on, which comes out easily. But then you'll be scared to lose those screws. Don't worry. In each propeller that comes with the drone, a tiny bag that comes with 3 screws. So you're not really that screwed. Get it? Screwed. I couldn't help it. But yes. So basically that is it. And once you kind of see any cracked scuffles on my propellers, don't be cheap. Just change your propellers if they get cracked and you can buy them for cheap. But yes, basically this video is sponsored by me. Nobody. And hopefully that was helpful. So change your drones, enjoy your flying, be safe, and don't crash again. Or if you do, just don't cry about it because I always cry about my drone crashing. So have a good day and see you in another video. Bye.